Not feeling a complete movie experience? Popular music video sounds dull and soft? It's time to upgrade the sound system for your TV. With the latest Pioneer speaker bar system SBX-101. Before getting into the video, please note, I am providing various links for purchase this product in the description box below. Probably you can compare the costs, as I only mention the cheapest purchase links after searching all over the internet, which is updated daily. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel, else you missing my next video. Also comment which feature you like the most in the comments section below, I will answer your queries as quickly as possible. So, without much delay, let's get started. It delivers big, immersive sound in a relatively affordable package, making it worthy of your living room, no matter what your needs are. Whether you're watching an explosive action movie or just kicking back with some music, the SBX-101 has enough deep bass and crisp highs to make all of your media shine. Although the SBX-101 has a slim and lightweight design, it provides stunning sound, and a wide range of connectivity for most TV and AV products in the market to maximize compatibility. With a wireless connected subwoofer, the position of the speaker can be more flexible. You can easily play music files via the USB interface. In addition, with a built-in Bluetooth function, you can also stream music from your smartphone with ease. A wireless subwoofer provides deep booming bass, along with the crisp highs that will ensure the music shines in movies and grows. Plus, built-in Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream crystal clear music directly from your smartphone. Features: Pioneer Electronics. Model No, SBX-101. Model, soundbar with wireless subwoofer. Color, black. Pack contents: soundbar, wireless subwoofer. Compatibility: compatible with USB and/line/optical and/OIN and Bluetooth devices. Audio type: Dolby Digital. Power output: 108 watts, total. Impedance: speaker, 6 ohms x2. Wireless subwoofer, 6 ohms. Connectivity: USB/line/optical/O/Bluetooth. Weight: NA. Dimensions: approx. cm. Speaker: 4.2 by 4.4 by 15.7, WXHXD. Wireless subwoofer, 13.3 by 13.3 by 7.6. Country of origin, NA. 12-month manufacturer warranty. High power output brings you the best sound quality and stunning surround sound experience. SBX-101 features a separate speaker bar and subwoofer. The speaker bar is designed to produce high and mid frequencies, generally vocals, instrumental music and environmental sound. Whereas subwoofer adds a very specific and valuable quality to your home theater sound experience. You can feel the sound. The low frequencies produced by a subwoofer are typically made by musical instruments like bass drums, pipe organs, string bass and bass guitar, and movie sound effects like the rumble of a rocket launch. Compared to the flat and muffled sound from the average TV, SBX-101 brings a tremendous upgrade to the sound quality. With the 108W maximum power, the output of SBX-101 is more than enough for most small houses. Speaker bar won't block your TV screen. While new flat panel TVs are designed with a thinner bezel, there is less space for the built-in speakers, given the less amount of space underneath the TV. Positioning the speaker bar can be more difficult. The height of the SBX-101 is only 60 mm and it can be placed in front of most TVs without blocking the screen or even the subtitles. Nor will its smaller footprint affect the overall appearance of the TV either. Wireless woofer makes connection and installation much easier. To provide deeper bass, the SBX-101 features a separate speaker bar and wireless subwoofer, but the installation and setup are quite easy. After plugging in the AC cables, press the pairing button on the subwoofer to establish a wireless connection between the two units. And then the subwoofer will connect automatically the next time when speaker bar gets powered on. The SBX-101 provides OIN, 3.5mm line in and optical inputs. Users can select an appropriate interface for their TV connection. And then the entire installation process is complete. Dolby audio technology makes the sound more immersive. Dolby audio technology from Dolby Laboratories is designed to restore digital movie audio at home to the audio quality close to that of commercial cinemas. This allows users to stay at home while at the same time enjoying the harmonious and powerful sounds of movies and TV shows, where both the audio and visual elements can be more fully experienced. Dolby audio technology also allows 5.1 channel surround sound to be immediately remixed and converted to sound output suitable for a speaker bar configuration. Hidden LED indicators show all the status. Under the SBX-101 speaker grill, there is a set of hidden LED indicators, by which users can easily understand the current operating status of the speaker bar and see clearly if the operation commands are received. Users will no longer need to point the remote control at the speaker bar aimlessly without getting any visual feedback. Visit our website, www.giftyourhobby.com. Link is provided in the description box below. It contains unnoticed links to the products, which having huge discounts on Amazon website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, so that you don't miss my next video.